Hey everyone, welcome to my video. If you don't know who I am Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and welcome everybody coming back. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing our Halloween phrases. God, I can talk today. Sorry about that. Phrases transfer, and I'm going to be putting it on this found surface. A little roughed up, but I kind of like it that way. And I'm going to be putting on the Happy Haunting. I'm going to do it in bright white, and I will wax it first. So let me get this transfer cut out. These are our transfer trimmers. They are coated so that it doesn't, the stickiness of the transfer, if it gets stuck, it won't stick to it. It'll come up, it won't stick to it. Our transfers are silk screen, and they have a sticky adhesive on them. And there it is. I really like the way that turned out. Very simple, very easy home decor. And it has like a thing on the back to hang it. So, turned out easy. I really like it. And thank you for watching. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe to my channel. It'll hit the bell. It'll notify you when my videos are posted. And like it. And thank you for watching. Bye.